I never considered a career pathway into the digital space. And it's because I lacked the kind of exposure that these kids in the urban places had. I kind of felt like coding was for kids from Nairobi and elsewhere. So in starting Digifunzi, I was actually solving for the younger version of me. We investigated, looked at the computing curriculum in schools, and we realized kids today are being taught the same way we were taught computing while growing up, which is mostly based on a curriculum which is obsolete. Digifunzi is a startup that equips schools with everything they need to train coding, robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning.
When Digifunzi came, as they were marketing their product, I was happy because I didn't know where to source for coding services. We had many challenges then because we didn't have the gadgets. And even the ones that we had were not enough. We came up with a program where we incorporated the parents. And since they had started seeing what the children were learning in coding, the parents came on board like they were waiting for it. And the parents bought the laptops for the school.
When we come into a school, we are looking at a learning management system, we are looking at a curriculum, we are looking at the robotic kits, and then finally we do teacher training so that the school has the autonomy to own our product and be able to scale it as a mainstream program within the school.
I remember the first lesson when the children were introduced to coding. The excitement I saw in that class as they were able to do, they were creating on the first day.
My name is Kayla Wangoi. I am 10 years old. I am in grade 5 from the School of Rural 5-Year Academy. Coding and robotics has made me to be more active. I usually do it at home. What I enjoy most about coding and Digifunzi is that the class is really fun. It has made me to be more active.
I see their teachers, whether it is English, whether it is any other subject. I'm seeing the teachers coming to ask for the gadgets, the laptop. So they have integrated the e-learning in all the subjects. And I'm happy because that was the essence of all this.
I discovered that it is really easy and that you can learn Digifunzi at any age.
Coding has taken us to that level where even if schools close today, we can still do it online. And the confidence is visible, the parents are happy, the children are happy, we are happy as a school.
It made me feel really happy. I felt like I had achieved something that I would have never achieved.
Right now, we have taken an ambitious goal to get 1 million learners in Africa to write their first line of code by 2030. We have been able to unlock some distribution channels, courtesy of what the Mastercard Foundation Edtech Fellowship has built. We want to see Digifunzi in every village in Africa. They're actually going to compete for opportunities with a kid in Texas, China, across the world. So the thing is, if you are able to empower this child with the right skills so they're able to compete equitably for opportunities with the kids across the world, we will be satisfied. We shall have achieved our vision.